Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making a very tasty and healthy side dish with kale and other vegetables. Now kale is one of those vegetables or greens that is low calorie and high fiber. You can have it raw or you can have it cooked as I do in this video. Are you subscribed to my channel yet? Don't forget to do so. Remember, it's free. So just click on that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you know when I post a video. Now you can wash your vegetables with plain water, but I like to add a bit of vinegar because I've read that it can help remove bacteria easier. I also leave it to soak in the solution for 15 to 20 minutes. Then it's on to the cooking process with the other vegetables. With this recipe, I use cucumbers, bell peppers, onions, and also a bit of corn. But of course, you can diversify by using whatever vegetables you would like to add to your kale dish. When the vegetables are chopped to the desired size, I add a bit of oil to a frying pan, and that's when I start cooking the vegetables on a low heat. I like the vegetables to continue to have a nice bright color, and I want the crunch so I don't overcook them. You can add your seasoning to taste. So I like to use the adobo seasoning and a bit of black pepper. But of course, with these types of dishes, you can change the seasonings to suit what your tastes are. Now here we have our delicious side dish, crunchy, colorful. I had this with some baked potato and also stewed beef. Thanks for watching.